So this is where we're at on our stage 1 6758 twin project. Got the motor in there, air cons connected, heater core, fuel line, and of course we have our 650cc injectors already installed. All of our oil feed, water, coolant, everything's put in. Motor stabbed in place. My next step, I have to bolt on all of these components and charge pipes. And then after that, we're going to do the fuel pump, and then we're going to do oil pump prime on the motor and prime the fuel. Put a base map on this thing, fire it off, and then do a little bit of drivability. Next thing, it's going to roll up on the dyno. It's going to make some pretty decent numbers.